this video I would like to show you how to create a gem in Gemini and demonstrate first how it works. So I have my gem here, which is named Soul Content Creation, but it's actually a Write Like Me prompt. And let's see how it works. So first of all, let me put the prompt. So I have a ready one here. You can see I describe the situation. So it's just some rough idea of the post I want to make on my Facebook page, and I'm just doing a personal blog, nothing fancy. So at the end of the prompt, I just mention that it's a post for Facebook, 45-second read. Start with a sentence, this one, and mention about the universe at the end. Yeah, so let's see what will be the result. So you see, he just created a text which is completely in my style and my voice, and this is how it is instructed. So kind of too long. I can make some edits here, just say make it shorter. So what else? No, I'm not going to read it now, like completely. So the universe at the end, it starts with a sentence which I told. Yeah, and you can write here some edit, or edit this sentence, or join like third and fourth paragraph, for example. Change the word here, change the sentence. So you just make kind of light edits, and it's kind of ready to go. So see, this one is shorter. You don't have to be perfect to be powerful. Oh, just like this sentence. Okay. So this is kind of, you got the ideas. You have already instructed Gem to write in your voice in Write Like Me prompt, and every time you put any theme, situation, or whatever you are thinking to write, is just write always in the same style and way, like sounding like you. But this is just my gem, and gem can be for any theme you want. It can make a research, or it can help you with a business, or whatever there is you are doing. So what is gem? Gem is a custom AI tool. It's basically like your own mini app which instructed the way you want, and instead of like repeating the same prompt every time again and again, for example, how you're doing like in the chats, you just do it one time and then just reuse it as much as you need, but it will just follow exactly the same instructions you put there that one time. So it really saves time, stay consistent, and just get better results from AI. So for example, now after I created my gem, I spent about 30 minutes to create the whole post from the very beginning to the very end, instead of like 3 hours or even sometimes 3 days where I could just try to write my own post. So really saves my time. But let's see how we can create this gem by yourself. So the most important thing is to remember is it's better to do it in the browser, to So this means just to open the Gemini in the browser. You can see it here. And second is that Gem is free in Gemini. So it's from Google, and you can create as many gems as of now. And so it's free. You don't need any paid version. So you can see my gem here on the left, and this is the one which is I just used, but we need to go to gems, and here you can see some suggestions, but we need to go down to gem manager. And in gem manager we create new gem. So you need to find a button plus new gem. Don't confuse it with my gems from labs. It's a different thing. We need this gem manager on the bottom where you can see all my gems and plus new gem. Okay, so here you can see the window to create your gem. So you can give it a name. For example, I just put right like me, and you can add the description, which is just to understand what is it about them, which I just write so it's very clear as of now. And here you can add the picture, and now the instructions. So instructions is basically your prompt which you want your gem to follow all the time, again and again. So these are very important. The more detailed, more clear instruction you give it, better result you will get. So I will just add the instructions which I already have in my other gem, and but you create just your own and put it here. After that you can test it here. Let me just put something very quick. Oops. Yeah, I mean, like, the main thing, it works. Okay, it gives you the reply. And after you add the extraction, this is the main free fields you need to fill in, and you go to save, and it has been created. Start chart. So right like me gem, you can find it here on your left side with all your other gems. And let's check right about my day, something very simple, just to check. So you get the reply and you just check if it really sounds like you, or if it's really, actually, let's say, follow your instructions. You can ask all different questions just to test it all the way around, just to make sure that it follows everything you wrote there, or you need to edit there. And if you need to edit something, so you go to your gems on your left side, you will see three dots here, and here is you can find edit. It's very simple. And after that you can make any edits you want. That's it. Now you have your own gem. So if you want, I can create a custom write like me prompt for you, so your AI writes exactly like you, or you can challenge me and order your own theme prompt which I can create for you for your gem or ChatGPT. And to do it, you can find all the links in my description. Otherwise, I hope it was helpful, and if you liked it, subscribe, and see you in the next video.